Tested and certified by Roahs, TUV, REACH, PPF, and CE, our hydroponic gardening system is made of food-grade ABS, which is safe, non-toxic, and no odor, making the veggies or herbs are grown in a healthy and safe environment. 12 planting pods allow you to enjoy a variety of fresh fruit and herbs year-round with no harmful substances or pesticides. Adjustable light panel with 135 degrees angle. The LED light can be moved at a 135-degree angle as the plants grow taller to ensure that the plant gets plenty of light without burning where leaves touch the light. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High-performance LED grow lights. Tested and certified by TUV. The full-spectrum 22-watt LED grow lights of the indoor garden kit has built-in IR, red, blue, and green light, which is turned to the specific needs of veggies and herbs to maximize photosynthesis, thereby achieving natural growth and rapid growth. In addition, our lights are not harmful to the skin or eyes. Number 2. Simple and easy to use. Sowing in the germination kit box. Transplant the seedlings to the hydroponic system. Then fill the water tank with deployed nutrient solution and then connect and turn on LED lighting. LED light with an integrated timer which can be automatically switched on and off. You only need watering once every 2 weeks. Perfect gift for your family and friends. It will be a beautiful indoor herb garden and home decoration. Number 3. Packaging everything included. In addition to the hydroponic system, we also have plant germination kits for you, including 1 seed box, 20 planting baskets, 18 sponges, 8 caps, 1 tweezer, and 1 measuring cup. And 2 bottles of nutrient solution, which are formulated according to the nutrient elements needed for plant growth. Number 4. Auto turn on, off. VegeBox has a smart LED control system, setting the perfect light time to turn on to help your plant's photosynthesis, then auto turn off for your plant's respiration to produce more nutrition. Remind: when you plug on the light, please remember to press the turn on, off key at first. Then, the light will go to the control cycle by itself. Number 5. Max to 2L water tank. Larger 2L water tank, save more nutrient water. You only need to add 1 time of water per 2 weeks and enjoy its indoor growing. Number 6. Perfect gift for family and friends. Not only can you harvest fresh vegetables year-round, but also the best gift for children to get close to nature and observe the growth process of plants. Number 7. Nice home decoration. When you are tired after working, the beautiful flower could help you relax and full of spirit again. Remind: accessories are not included seeds and plants. Number 8. Enjoy fresh veggies and herbs. VegeBox could support you to grow up organic vegetables. You not only could have fun plants but also could enjoy healthy vegetables at home. Remind: accessories are not included seeds and plants. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.